I got 3 ways that you can make these car air fresheners. And yes, this is beginner friendly. First things first, let's start over in Canva. Once you have your template, I got this from Google. You're going to go up to where it says apps and type in frame maker, and this is the one that you're going to click on. Make sure you have the tree selected before you do this. Once you hit it, then hit convert. Your frame should pop right up. Of course, it's not going to be easy peasy all the time. This one just have to be an easy one. Okay, so now you're going to scale it out to be the size that you want it to be. When you actually print these, you want to print them at a 2x9 4.75. Now all you have to do is drop your picture in. If you need to edit the picture, you double click in the center and pull it down or pull it up, however you need to do it. Next, let's go to Cricut. Of course, you know you got to upload your images. I got both of my images uploaded. So what you do is you're going to put your tree on top of your image, lay it however you want it to be. Make sure your tree is inside the entire image, so you should still see some of your image around the tree on the outside, so you can get everything in the inside of the tree. Then you're going to highlight both. You're going to go down to the bottom where it says slice, click slice, and then start pulling your pieces apart, and bam, you got your tree. Last but not least, we're going to go over to that silhouette, upload your tree. Once you have your tree uploaded, then we're going to go back up to file, go to library, import into library, find the image that you want to put inside this tree, click it. It's going to import into your library. Once you see it, you're going to drag it over to patterns, and then you're going to release it. You're going to go back up to design, and it's going to be there. Then you want to go up to the right hand side, it's a little paint little thingy over there. You're going to click that, and then you're going to click patterns, and you're going to go to the pattern, and you're going to edit this because you don't want her head at the top, because that's where the little hole goes. So you're going to go down where it says pan pattern, click that. It's going to be a little dropper, the little circle thing in the middle. You're going to start dragging it down or up, like however your image look in there. Drag it to where it's not going to cut the person's head off if you have a person's head right there where the little hole goes. And that is it. So which one of these out of all 3 was the easiest? Which one will you be trying? Let me know in the comments. Bye.